Hi, my name is Victoria, and I'm the Registrar and Exhibitions Manager at the Florida Holocaust Museum. Today I'm working with this silver Hanukkah menorah from our permanent collection. I am using a silver polish, distilled water, microfiber cloths, and 100% cotton swabs to work on this artifact. I start by dusting to remove any physical dust or grime that may be loose in the details of this menorah. This helps prevent any potential scratches prior to polishing. My next step is to apply my polish directly to my working cloth or swab before applying a thin layer to the artifact. I use a clean cloth or swab to remove the polishing medium after it sets, and when necessary, distilled water to assist in this removal. The goal is to gently clean and polish, not to alter the integrity of the artifact in any way. This menorah will go on display in our Kristallnacht section of our core exhibition. The case it will be displayed in contains other examples of pre-war Judaica and European life. We frequently rotate artifacts in our permanent collection for preservation purposes, educational opportunities, or to acknowledge significant historical dates or holidays. As we are approaching Hanukkah, we thought exhibiting this menorah and sharing this behind-the-scenes video of artifact preparation would be a great way to begin celebrating the holiday season.